Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting session planned for you. Are you ready to improve your English speaking skills? In this video, we will engage in 30 minutes of practice conversations to help you become more confident and fluent in English. So, let's dive right in and start our language learning journey. 1. Greeting and introduction. Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. In this practice session, we will simulate various conversational scenarios to develop your English speaking skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to fine-tune your proficiency, this video is designed to enhance your confidence in real-life conversations. Let's get started. 2. Small talk and icebreakers. So, how has your day been so far? Let's start with some small talk and icebreakers to get comfortable. Tell me, what are your favorite hobbies or interests? Feel free to share in the comments below. That sounds fascinating. I'm sure many of you have common interests. Let's continue our conversation by discussing a recent book, movie, or TV show that you've enjoyed. Share your thoughts and recommendations with us. 3. Talking about personal experiences. Now, let's shift gears and talk about personal experiences. I recently went on a trip to a beautiful beach destination. The mesmerizing sunset and the sound of crashing waves left me in awe. Have you ever had a memorable travel experience? I would love to hear about it. Wow, those are amazing stories. Thank you for sharing. It's incredible how traveling can create lifelong memories and broaden our horizons. Let's dive into a problem-solving scenario. Imagine you are planning a surprise party for a friend, but you realize you're running out of time and need some last-minute ideas. What would you do to make the party unforgettable? Share your creative solutions in the comments. Fantastic ideas, everyone! Planning events can be challenging, but with your creative suggestions, I'm sure the party would be a great success. 5. Role-playing conversations. It's time to put your English speaking skills into action through role-playing conversations. We will simulate everyday scenarios such as ordering food at a restaurant, booking a hotel room, or having a job interview. I will play one role, and you can respond as the other character. Let's begin. Great job, everyone! Role-playing is an excellent way to practice real-life conversations and improve your language skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. 6. Conversational Q&A. Now, let's address some commonly asked questions about English conversation. Many learners worry about making mistakes or not being understood. Remember, it's perfectly okay to make errors. Focus on expressing yourself and gradually improve your language skills by continuously practicing. Another challenge learners often face is understanding different accents. One way to overcome this is by exposing yourself to a variety of English accents through movies, TV shows, and podcasts. Practice listening and try imitating different accents to enhance your comprehension. 7. Closing remarks. We've come to the end of our 30-minute practice session, but your English learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep practicing, engaging in conversations with native speakers or language partners, and immersing yourself in the language as much as possible. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more language learning content. Thank you for joining us today, and keep up the fantastic work.